Chapter 16. A story entered the rec room.
You're kind of pronouncing this word as Stally, but the word is Stanley. Stanley. As Stanley entered the rec room, he could hear X-Ray's voice from all the way across the room. Stanley. Stanley.
As he talked, "Your caveman, my man."
You're pronouncing this word like Cayman, but the word is caveman. Caveman. X-Ray was full of life, laughing and waving his arms around as he talked. "Yo, caveman, my man," he called out. Caveman. Caveman.
Ground, zigzagger. I'm trying to watch TV. Story glanced uncertainly at zigzag.
You're kind of pronouncing this word as Stally, but the word is Stanley. Stanley.
Intently at the bus. Excuse me. Busted television screen. The warden greeted the boys.
You're pronouncing this word like television, but the word is television. Television. Stanley glanced uncertainly at Zigzag, who was staring very intently at the busted television screen. Television. Television.
We need your sharp eyes. Story spent more time pushing the wheelbarrow than digging because he was such a slow digger.
You're kind of pronouncing this word as Stally, but the word is Stanley. Stanley. The second word you're saying like wheelbarrow, but the word is wheelbarrow. Wheelbarrow. Stanley spent more time pushing the wheelbarrow than digging because he was such a slow digger. Wheelbarrow. Wheelbarrow.
With them. After that, everyone worked faster, especially when Mr. Sir was watching them.
You're saying this word like especially, but the word is actually especially. Especially. After that, everyone worked faster, especially when Mr. Sir was watching them. Especially. Especially.
Later, as Story sat sprouted.
You're kind of pronouncing this word as Stally, but the word is Stanley. Stanley.
The workroom. Story he called as he made his way.
You're kind of pronouncing this word as Stally, but the word is Stanley. Stanley.
I have a letter here for someone and Story Jonas, said Mr. Podolsky.
You're kind of pronouncing this word as Stally, but the word is Stanley. Stanley.
Had gotten to dinner. Dear Story, I was one.
You're kind of pronouncing this word as Stally, but the word is Stanley. Stanley.